Hello friends, welcome back to the fourth episode of Mastering Excel series. Today I am going to teach you how to change font of a cell. My name is Jyoti and my channel's name is FinCoin. Please like this video and also subscribe to my channel to learn more about Excel. Also don't forget to hit the bell icon. So let's begin. Suppose if you want to change the font of the cell B7, you go to the Home section, you go to Format, and then you go to Format Cells. A window opens up. You can see various options of font available. You can also use various font styles available in Excel. At the same time, you can increase or decrease the size of the text. You can also use the color option to color the text. You can also give effects to your cell. Suppose if you want to do something as shown in B9, then you can use the superscript option. You can also use strike through and subscript. And then you can press the OK button. Another way of changing the font of the text is by using the various options available in the Home tab. At the same time, if you want to be more effective, then you can use the shortcut keys appearing on the screen.